How to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper application and sign into your account. Make sure that you have created your wallet, otherwise you can simply click on wallets on the top of your screen and click on add wallet. Then you can either create a new wallet or you can log in with your existing wallet with our 24 secret recovery words. Otherwise you just need to click on the Ton coin, and then as you can see there is no option of purchasing, so you need to simply first of all click on the buy and sell on the top, and then you just need to go with the option of buy Ton on the top of your screen. But make sure to click on the show all option so that you can see what are the third party crypto exchange platforms that are supporting to buy Ton from their particular platform. So you just need to click on any one of these that you are suitable with. You can go with credit card options, or you can also go with bank or bank transfers or cards option as well. In this case it is transact, which is the third option from the bottom. So simply click there and then click on buy Ton. This is going to take you to another page. As I said, this is a third party exchange, so you need to simply select your particular currency you want to purchase it from your US dollar bank account. So simply select it just like so. Then you need to enter the amount how much you want to purchase from the exchange platform. So let's go with the example of $100, and this is going to also give you payment method. So you need to select either you want to go with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or bank or wire transfer, or card payment. Then you need to click on buy now option, and you need to enter your email address to make your account. Then you need to simply enter the details of your bank or card, like your bank number, account name, and all of that stuff, and you are good to go. And you will gonna receive your Ton coin right on this place. Hope this helped. This is how you can buy Ton on Tonkeeper wallet.